I'm Dr. David Halter. I want to invite you to join me for a webinar that ASCH is sponsoring the evening of Wednesday, January 12th. The topic of the webinar is called Evoking the Client's Potential for Change. And it's all about what it is that we can do in the initial encounter we have with our clients to optimize the potential, to set us on the right path, to be able to evoke all of the resources that they have within them to put them on a path to positive change. In this 90-minute webinar, we'll be focusing on three main themes. The first one draws on my background as a neuropsychologist and health psychologist who's been doing hypnotic work for 20 plus years now, and that is to take a look at the evolutionary history of our brain and its inherent social nature, because after all, the initial encounter is a social, intersubjective, interactive social encounter. The second main theme involves how surprise, uncertainty, and ambiguity, and even disorientation are key parts of what we can do in the initial session to evoke trance, and in doing so, activate or open up the person's capacity to change out of long-established habit patterns that we call symptoms and presenting problems. The third main theme that we'll be talking about draws on theater, on drama, and the different elements of a dramatic self-narrative that our clients bring our way so that we can do some narrative re-scripting utilizing hypnotic processes that flow naturally in the initial encounter without necessarily relying on the use of formal trance. I hope that sounds interesting, maybe even intriguing, and I look forward to joining with you on January 12th. Take care and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.